Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today, we are going to draw a beautiful, happy flower. Flowers are so pretty. They grow in gardens, parks, and fields. Flowers love sunshine and water. Bees and butterflies come to visit flowers. People love flowers. We give flowers to say I love you or thank you. Flowers smell so nice. Can you smell them? Let's color the petals now. Are you ready? Let's go. First petal is bright red. So nice. Next petal is green. Wow, so fresh. Now let's color orange. It's like the sun. Let's color light blue next. It looks like the sky. Let's color yellow now. Next is purple. Beautiful and bright. Now pink, so soft and sweet. Now dark blue, deep like the ocean. Now let's color the center of the flower. I'll use pink, blue, and a little yellow. Yay! Now, glitter time. Let's add some tiny dots for red petal. Green glitter. Tiny black dots. Light blue glitter. Tiny black dots. Purple glitter is magical. Tiny black dots. Dark blue glitter. I love glitter. Tiny black dots. Wow! It's shining like magic. Do you like it? You did it, my little artists. Our flower is so colorful and happy. Great job. Drawing and coloring makes us happy. You are amazing. Keep drawing every day. You can draw anything. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.